Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to change date and time in BIOS on HP ELITEBOOK 855. So first you need to go into the BIOS. The video of how to do it is on our channel. The touchpad here works, but if you have it disabled then it won't work, so I'll be using arrows for those who don't have touchpad. With arrows up and down, go to change date and time and click enter. Now once again, and here up and down, change the day, the month and the year. You can go left and right with left and right arrows. When you're done, click enter, arrow down and set time the same way as we did. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.